So the next step, let's find the median. Yeah, so remember, right? The median is basically the middle value, okay? The number that is right in the center. So for this example, notice that we have a total of 12 numbers. Remember that the first step, you have to sort the numbers from smallest to largest. Okay, so let's do that for now. So notice that we have 98, 92, 95, and so on. So the smallest number that I see right here is 65, right? So let's write it here. So we have 65, then we have, let's see, 87 maybe. Yeah, 87. Right, what's the next one? Then 98 twice. So the median is basically the middle value. So let's find the number that is in the middle of all of these items right here. But we're gonna find something odd in this one, okay? Something peculiar about this. Notice that we have 12, right? So the middle should be the 6th number, but not quite. Because notice that in order to be the middle, we have to have the same amount of numbers to the left and the same amount of numbers to the right, okay? So if we pick, let's say for example that if we pick the 93, right? Let's count how many numbers do we have to the left of 93. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now let's go to the right of 93. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now if we pick the 92, let's see how many numbers to the left. 1, 2, 3, 4. But to the right, we're going to have what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So let's pick 94 just to check. Okay. So if I pick the 94, notice we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 numbers to the right, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 numbers to the left. That doesn't make it the middle value. So what happened here? What happened here is this set of data, let's put it here, this set of numbers, right, are even, right? Meaning that we have an even amount of numbers. Okay? That's what it means, okay? Or that's what I'm trying to mean. So when this happens, we are going to select the two numbers that are in the middle, the two numbers, okay? So let's pick the two numbers that are really in the center of all of this set of numbers. Okay, so I think it's gonna be the 93 and the 94, those two right here. Let's see how many numbers are to the left of those two numbers, and let's see how many numbers are to the right. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 numbers, okay, to the right. Now let's see to the left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we have two values that are in the middle. So how do we identify the median? Well, the median will be the addition of those two numbers, and then we divide it by 2. Or basically, we are computing the average of those two values that are in the middle. So when that happens, let's see what is 93 plus 94, right? That's 187. And then when we divide it by 2, that's 93.5. Okay, so the median in this case is 93.5.